बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह सदरी वयस्सिर अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, today we are going to start our exercise 10.2 whose topic is congruent and similar figures. Congruent and similar figures. Let's see what are the congruent figures and what are the similar figures. First, we will see the definition of congruent figures. Identification of congruent and similar figures. Congruent figures. Two geometrical figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and size. Any two geometrical figures with same size, their size should be same and their shape should be same. Such type of figures are called congruent figures. Look at the following two figures. Here we have two quadrilaterals. A, B, C, D is our first quadrilateral and P, Q, R, S is our second quadrilateral. The sides and angle of two given figures can be matched as below. We can match their sides and angle just like this. Side AD is equal to side PS. Why they are equal? Because we are considering here that both the diagrams are congruent figures, means their size and shape is same. Size mean all the sides of this quadrilateral will be equal to the sides of second quadrilateral. AD's corresponding side is PS, means we will compare AD with the same PS. AD and PS is equal. Similarly, here angle A and angle P are also equal. Now let's talk about the second side, that is AB. AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, the angle at point B and angle at point Q will also be equal. Talk about the third side. Side BC will be equal to side RQ and the angles made on C and R will also be equal. Talk about the fourth side. CD is equal to RS. Similarly, D and S angles are equal. Must remember, if two shapes or two figures are congruent, means their corresponding sides and angles must be equal. Same size mean their sides and triangles must be equal. And we have to compare AD with PS. We will not compare AD with PQ. Got it? AD will be compared with PS. AB will be compared to its corresponding side, that is PQ. Similarly, angle A will be compared with P. B will be compared with Q. All the sides of first figure must be equal to all the sides of second figure. All the angles of first figure must be equal to all the angles of second figure. It means they have same size. It means that they have same size. Similarly, both are quadrilateral, means their shape is also same. Got it? So these figures are called congruent figure. Congruent figures. Any two figures whose shape and size, shape means both are quadrilateral. They are not, this is not a triangle and this is not a quadrilateral. Both are quadrilateral. Means they have same shape. Similarly, they have same size. So these are called congruent figures. Recognizing the symbol of congruency. We have learned that two geometrical figures are congruent if they have same shape and same size. Got it? Two figures are said to be congruent if their shape and size is same. Now, the congruency of two figures is denoted by a symbol this. This is the symbol of congruency. Whenever this symbol stands, means the two given figures are congruent, which is read as is congruent to. This symbol is read as is congruent to. Okay, the symbol of congruency or is congruent to is made up of two parts. Our symbol is made up of two parts. This symbol means this symbol means the same shape. This symbol stands for similar, same shape. While the second part of congruency is of an equal sign, and this means the same size. Got it, students? Congruency symbol is made up of two parts. The first part is called similar and the second part is called equal. Similar and equal. Similar shape and equal size. Both together makes two figures congruent. Important information. The symbol for congruency was developed by Gottfried Leibniz. He made very important contribution to the notation of mathematics. Now let's talk about, students, about similar figures. The figures with same shape but not necessarily the same size are called the similar figures. Similar figures are those figures whose shape is same but size is not necessarily same. Their size may be different. The similarity of geometrical figure is represented by the symbol similar. This is the symbol of similarity. Just look at these circles. For example, all circles are similar to each other. These are similar to each other. Similar to each other means all of they have the shape that is circle. They have the same shape that is circle. Their size is different, means they are not congruent. If they have the same size, then we will say that these are the congruent figures. Here these three circles are not congruent. These three circles are called similar because their shape is same. Similarly, all the three squares have different in sizes. They are different in sizes, but shape is same. Shape means all are square, means these are the similar figures. These are similar to each other but not congruent to each other. Are they congruent? No, their size is different, means they are not congruent to each other, but they all are similar. Now students, let's start our exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Define similar geometrical figures with example. Now you have to write the definition of similar geometrical figures. The figures with the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. The similarity of geometrical figure is represented by this symbol. For example, all the circles are similar to each other. All the squares are similar to each other. Students, why they are similar? Because their shape is same. Now tell me why they are not congruent? Because their size is not same. Their size is different. That's why they are not congruent. They are only similar. Question number 2 is, are similar figures congruent? Give examples. Answer: no, similar figures are not congruent. Students, why they are not congruent? Because their sizes may different. That's why they are not congruent. For example, the following rectangles and triangles are similar as they have same shape but not congruent as their sizes different. Look at the shape of rectangle and triangles. These rectangles are similar to each other because they have same shape of rectangle. Similarly, these three figures all are triangles, so they are the similar figures, but they are not congruent because their size is not same. Therefore, are similar figures congruent? No, it is not necessarily that the similar figures are congruent. Question number 3. Are congruent figures similar? Prove this with example. Yes, congruent figures are always similar. Why they are similar? Because in definition we have read that congruent figures are those figures whose size is same, whose shape is same. And what is the condition of similarity? That only the shape should be same. Hence, congruent figures are always similar because in congruency we have similarity and equality, both of the things. So are congruent figures similar? Yes, congruent figures are always similar. For example, following congruent hexagon. Look at these congruent hexagons. Their shape is same, both are hexagon, their size is same because all of the sides of first hexagon are equal to sides of second hexagon. Similarly, all the angles of first hexagon are equal to all the angles of second hexagon. Hence, for example, following congruent hexagons are also similar because their size and shape. Now question number 4, identify congruent and similar pairs of figures. Students, two figures are given to you and you have to tell about them whether they are congruent or they are similar. For example, look at part number 1. Two oval shapes are given to you. Now tell me whether they are congruent or whether they are similar. Look at their sizes. Sizes is same in first figure? No, their size is different. Means they are not congruent. But shape is same, both are oval, so they are the similar. Part number 2, two circles are given to us. Shape is same, means both are circle, but sizes are different, means they are not congruent, they are just similar. Part number 3, look at their sizes, look at their shape. Both the things are same over here. Shape is same, both are the cross, and sizes are also same, means they are congruent. Look at this figure, hexagon. Their shape is same, both have the same shape and both are also same in size, so they are congruent. Now look at the last part number 5. Their shape is same but their size is not same. That's why they are similar, they are not congruent. We have completed exercise 10.2. Jazakallah, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.